What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to filter out your eBay search settings where you will only get free shipping on every single item that you purchase. This is a great way if you don't want to pay for shipping. Most of the time shipping is factored into the price anyway, so don't think that you're going to get cheaper prices or anything by using this method. But some people just feel peace of mind by just paying the exact price that is listed instead of having to calculate the shipping cost into everything. Kind of just makes it harder than it needs to be, and through this method you could easily just filter those out. So I'm just going to search for something like I normally would, just searching for a random thing here. An iPhone charger is the best they could come up with. So just searching through it, it'll come up with a bunch of different listings of iPhone chargers. Most of them do have free shipping anyway. This might have not been the best example, but you could do this for any item. So click the filter button in the upper right hand corner there and just scroll down just a little bit. And you'll see right at the bottom there is text that says shipping options. Click on that. Comes with two options here, and the first one at the top is for free shipping. Just go ahead and slide that lever. It's going to take a second to load, and it comes up with most of the same search results, but if you scroll down a little bit more and continue to scroll, you will not see a single one that has shipping costs into it. All the prices that are listed there are the exact prices that you were paid, which is super nice when you're shopping and trying to calculate expenses and you don't want to necessarily calculate shipping in there as well. It's just one flat rate. And yeah, it's pretty simple to do from there. If you did have any questions though, or were confused on how to do this at all, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.